Are you tired of spending hours crafting cold emails that never get responses? What if you could build a high-converting cold email sequence in just minutes without any technical skill or expensive software? Well, now you can. Let's discover together what is Warmy's cold email sequencer and what it does. Welcome to Warmy.io YouTube channel, where our masters talk all about deliverability and how Warmy can get your emails seen. My name is Eduardo, Ed for short, and today we're gonna be taking a look at Warmy's free tool, the Cold Email Sequencer. First of all, we need to have it clear. Warmy is here to help users improve email deliverability and automate outreach. And one of the ways we can do that is by guiding you through a sequence of cold emails for your clients. The Cold Email Sequencer is a tool from Warmy to help you develop a sequence of emails that will be high on conversion. So how we do that? First of all, we got to go to Warmy's website. Right here at the top, we have the section Free Tools. Under that, we can get to Cold Email Sequencer. Here, what we see first is Warmy's telling us what is the Cold Email Sequencer. So we're gonna build a sequence of emails that we're gonna send to our prospects to try to convert them. First, we send a welcome email, then some follow-ups, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. It already gives us a statistic. Generally, we have a 19% reply chance on our welcome email. So if we go down a little bit, we can see that we already have some presets. What do I mean by presets? These are templates that some companies already use, and we can use it as a basis for our sequence. So for example, Slack has a sequence, welcome to Slack, security notice, welcome to Pinterest, and etc. If we go down a little bit more, down here we have our AI generator. What our AI generator does is we put a few words like Warmy, for example, with keywords, and your email, then it's gonna generate an intro email. Like for example, we have from Pinterest here. If we click here, we can see Pinterest's welcome email, Slack welcome email, Zapier's thank you for subscribing. We have a few examples. We can try to do like they do, or create our own, or let AI create it for us. From my plan, I already created one, so I can create another one to show you, but you can try for yourself. After that, if we go down a little bit more, we'll have the next steps. So follow up, step 1. The follow-up will be the email we send to thank or to try to delve in more points or talk a little bit more, try to engage with your prospect. In this example, we are thanking them for the pleasant conversation, but we are still engaging with the prospect. The next step, step 2, is to continue the conversation, giving more time to discuss and try to see where we can go after. And as you can see, we have always a suggestion of time after each email. So intro email, after you wait 2 days, then you follow up again, then wait more 2 days, then you follow up again, then you wait 2 more days, then step 3, that is another follow up, then you try to convince them, try to bring value in this email. So step 3 in this example is a discount. If you use our service, use the code WARMY50, then we will always be happy to help you. So we are trying to connect more with the client and bring them and try to bring some value and keep going with this conversation. And step 4 is if you didn't have any other email, any replies from this prospect, then the step 4 is basically the closing one. Thank you for your time. If you need any help, I'm gonna be here, and you can always message me. So you then stop to try to force yourself into that client. And if in any doubt, we have a few tips at the bottom of the page. So we tell what is a cold email, why you should use, who should use, best practices, and everything. And other than that, if you want to know more about cold email, not only the sequence and how to do it, we have also cold outreach laws. This is a small page that teaches you a few laws that you should follow when creating your cold emails. So how to write it keeping it short, the value you have to bring to your prospects. So you can always explore our resources and our free tools and everything Warmy can offer. We have a lot of free tools. We can also talk about the deliverability test. You build your sequence, you're sending emails, but you're not sure emails are bouncing, you're not sure if your domain is good enough, if your domain has good reputation, so you need to test if your domain is good. Then you come to free tools and go to email deliverability test. This is one example. We talk more about this in another video. You can go in this link, and that will be it for me today. So I hope you liked our data in cold emails and our cold email sequence builder and everything Warmy can do to help you. We are always here, and you can comment also what kind of emails you usually send. If you already had a template for sequence building for the sequence of emails you usually send to your prospects, or if you just go with the flow. So comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos that we may talk about other tools, other resources, and everything else Warmy can offer. So that's it for me. Bye bye.